The amazing benefits of a bilingual brain. Did you know that speaking more than one language can actually make your brain stronger? Hi, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science behind bilingualism and how it benefits your brain. Cognitive benefits. First, let's talk about how being bilingual can boost your brain's executive functions. This means you'll get better at problem-solving, multitasking, and focusing. Studies show that bilingualism can delay the onset of dementia and Alzheimer's disease, keeping your brain healthier for longer. Academic and professional advantages. Did you know bilingual students often perform better in school? They have better reading and writing skills in their native language. Social and cultural benefits. Learning a new language opens the door to understanding different cultures and perspectives. It helps you build stronger personal and professional relationships. Brain structure and function. Bilingual brains show more gray matter in areas associated with language processing, enhancing neuroplasticity and brain connectivity. Tips for learning a new language. So, how can you start learning a new language? Start early, practice regularly, and immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. So, being bilingual can boost your cognitive abilities, open up new career opportunities, and enhance your social life. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And let us know in the comments what language you're learning.